Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Monday, the 15th of March 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The Australian share market ended the day up very slightly to 6,773 points. There wasn't a huge amount to report. Westpac and ANZ both rose 0.5%. CSL and Telstra were both up 1%. Afterpay was the worst performing of the large caps, falling 4.5%. The Buy Now, Pay Later group is down more than 30% over the past 5 weeks. The big iron ore miners also underperformed, while REA Group and James Hardie Industries both fell by around 2%. Fortescue Metals was among the worst performers, down by more than 4%. Chair Andrew Forrest said the iron ore miner will become carbon neutral by 2030, well ahead of main rivals BHP and Rio Tinto. Fortescue plans to develop green electricity, green hydrogen and green ammonia projects in Australia through its Fortescue Future Industries subsidiary. The positive carbon credits from the businesses will offset the carbon cost of the mining business. AGL Energy has led a consortium that's made a successful $2.7 billion cash bid for Tilt Renewables, a group that owns wind farms in Australia and New Zealand, as well as other assets. The consortium, known as Powering Australian Renewables, includes AGL, the Queensland Investment Commission, and the Future Fund, as well as Mercury New Zealand. AGL's share price closed up slightly today. And Qantas had a good day, ending up almost 4% after Macquarie Group upgraded its forecast price target, saying the airline will be back to near pre-pandemic levels for domestic travel next financial year and at 80% for international travel the year after. Each quarter, the ASX rebalances its main indices, with some smaller companies falling off the top 200 and top 300 ladders. Being in the top 200 is very important because a company is more likely to attract investor attention, but as share prices rise and fall, so too do companies' fortunes in terms of being included. Coming into the top 200 from next month will be recent IPO Newey, mining technology group Codan, commodities companies Champion Iron, Nickel Mines and Pilbara Minerals, and custodial services group Hub24. All got a kick along today on the news, and Hub24 was up more than 11%. Leaving the top 200 will be Bravura Solutions and ServiceStream, two of the worst performing stocks over the past year, GWA Group, which was down almost 8% today, Smart Group and Tassal Group. Reserve Bank Governor Philip Lowe today said the economic recovery had been quicker and stronger than expected, but he warned there was still a long way to go. He said the unemployment rate was too high and the pace of inflation and wages growth was below what the central bank would prefer. Dr. Lowe highlighted that business investment was yet to click into gear and said a long and sustainable recovery needed business investment to accelerate and broaden. The Australian 10-year government bond yields rose to 1.81% today, following a spike in US yields over the weekend, and the Aussie dollar is buying 77.5 US cents. That's it for the afternoon market report for Monday, the 15th of March 2021. Join me tomorrow morning for the regular edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.